Hi friends, this is Prabhat for TechBSD. As you can see that I have a keyboard from Dell and the model number is KB212 and the Dell mentioned it as a USB business keyboard. So let me show you the features mentioned by the Dell itself. That quite and good tactile fit function keyboard, tilt angle, sturdy and robust for office use, durable keyboard constructed with a lifespan of 20 million strokes. It means that Dell have tested this keyboard for at least 20 million strokes. It supports Windows 7, Windows 8 and also the Windows 10 and the Linux and Ubuntu, but not the iOS. So not for the Apple users, and it have a USB connectivity, so you don't have a PS2 connectivity. Color is black and the cable length is 6 feet. So that's it about, and the price mentioned here by the Dell is 449 Indian rupees, but you will get it at a discount. So it's time for unboxing. Let me just open it, show you the actual keyboard. You can see that the keyboard is covered in plastic, so inside you won't get any protection for carrying like a bubble wrap or anything. It is just simple a plastic. So I just take that plastic out and show you the keyboard. And anything else? No, we don't have, just the documentation, safety, environmental and protection information. I don't know why they have provided this, but that's the company policy. So let me just put it the cardboard box side, show you the keyboard, and this is the cable. As you can see that the cable is quite long, so you won't get any problem in the length of the cable. And the connector, you can see that is a USB connector, not a PS2, so that is also good. Talking about the tilt function, you get from by this. You can put it like here and like here, so that it will give you a good position when you are typing. So the keyboard is nice. You can see that you got three notification lights for caps lock, for num lock, or nothing special about that. And you got two Windows key, one here and one here. You can see that the logo is Windows 10, so that is also nice. You won't feel like your keyboard is very old fashioned as you have a Windows 10 key. So that is nice from Dell. Nothing special about this one. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like my video, please hit the subscribe button and like this video also, so I can produce more videos like this. Thank you guys. This is Prabhat for TechBSD.